Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about ACI Web of Science Index journals, both paid and unpaid journals of Web of Science. So first, we are going to open a website of Web of Science, that is Clarivate Analytics. So here you can see the website is clarivate.com. So in this website, click on Master Journal List. Once you click on Master Journal List, here the download option is there. Click on this download. So after that, you need to log in. Just click on login. Okay, here you can do registration if you are not yet member of this clarivate.com, and then use your email address and password and just log in. So here you can download 4 different lists of Web of Science Index journals: Science Citation Index Expanded, that is SCI; Social Sciences Citation Index SSCI; Arts and Humanities Citation Index, that is AHCI; and Emerging Sources Citation Index, that is ESCI. The papers published under this uh, the paper published in journal which are indexed with SCI, SSCI and ASCI are included in Web of Science database, but the papers published in journal which are indexed with Emerging Sources Citation Index are not included in the Web of Science database, because all the journals which are included in Emerging Sources Citation Index are just added journals in Web of Science. So after 1 year and after critical evaluation of that journal which are included in Emerging Sources Citation Index are then included in Science Citation Index Expanded, SCI, SSCI, AHCI. So before publishing papers with journal which are part of Emerging Sources Citation Index, please check whether that paper is included in Web of Science database or not. So here I am going to download the ACI list. Just click on this. There is a difference between SCI and SI index journals. The ACI index journal use media of storage like CD, DVD, and SCI journals are online journals. So here I downloaded the list. Just click on this list. Here in the list you can see here journal title is there, print ISSN, online ISSN, publisher name, publisher address, and Web of Science categories. Means the domain or area to which that journal belongs. So here by using search option you can find out any journal as per your requirement. For example, here I am going to search journal for computer. So here you can see this journal belong to computer engineering or computer science category. So in this way we can check the journal which belong to your domain or the area of your research paper topic. So here you can check the journal name. Based on that, you can just copy the journal name and search for that journal. So here you can see the journal website, you will get it, and after that you can visit that journal website and you can personally check the details of that journal. Here all details of this journal is given, all the issue and all the papers are available. If it is not downloaded, if you won't have any kind of permission to download this paper, so just copy the DOI of that paper, and as you know the website Sci-Hub, just open that website and just insert DOI of that particular paper and search for that paper. So most of the papers are freely available on this Sci-Hub website. So just you need to include title of paper or DOI of that paper, so you can download that paper. So this paper is not available as there is a issue with this ACM digital library. So same way you can search one by one all the details of different domain, and based on this domain you can download the paper after searching the details of that particular journal. So one by one you can search the journal, then after that you can visit the website of that journal. Here all the details you will get, whether the indexing of that journal in different databases. You can check the past issues of that journal. So you will get all the details of that particular journal. So in this way, for ACI and ACI total there are 9,392 journals in the master list. Same way you can download SSCI master list and AHCI master list. So here again you can open this list. So this paper is available to download through Sci-Hub. In this way you can download any paper. So second is SSCI. Here you can check journal title. For SSCI total 3,500 journals are indexed with Web of Science, which belong to Social Sciences Citation Index. And third list is Arts and Humanities, where total 1,843 journals are indexed with Arts and Humanities Citation Index. So in this way, and here you can see the list is last updated on July 21st, 2020. So all lists are updated recently, you can download all these lists. You can search the journal as per your domain, check the details of that journal, so you will get the past issues and indexing of that journal, and you can easily submit your research paper to that respective journal by checking a different parameters like acceptance rate, impact factor, indexing. All details you will get on the respective journal website. I hope this video will be helpful in your research process. If you really like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.